वीडियो पसंद आती है तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा। शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Mummy's Kitchen. Today I'll be making strawberry tapioca drinks. The ingredients that will be needed is 1 cup of whole cow's milk, 1 glass of coconut milk, 5 tablespoons of sagudana boiled, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of basil seeds. Basil seeds that have been boiled with kettle water. 50 grams of jelly. 50 grams of jelly which have been made with jelly crystals. 4 to 5 strawberries. Time to make the strawberry tapioca drink. First, we will be needing a big bowl to add all our ingredients. I'm going to add a cup of milk, 1 cup of coconut milk, add the sugar, now mix all the ingredients added. We've mixed the sugar up. Now we're adding our sagudana. Mix it well. Now that we've mixed it up, I'm going to add the basil seeds. Mix it well. And now we're going to serve it in a glass. Now we're going to be serving out in a glass. We've cut our strawberries into tiny pieces. Now we're going to be adding it into our glass. I'm going to be adding the strawberries into the glass, and only half of it. I have the strawberries cut into tiny pieces, and now I'm going to be adding it into the glass, and only half of it. The jelly has been cut into cubes and now serving inside our glass. The strawberry tapioca drink is ready now. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on and like the video and comment how your experiences were on making this drink. Allah Hafiz.